Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and we're opening the October Sew Up box. And don't forget, there is a link down in the description, and new customers will get their first box free. So be sure to check them out. They have a wide variety, and you can buy the patterns. You can even buy kits. I really am enjoying these. They are challenging me. I'm trying, doing different things. Learning a lot of different techniques. I always steered clear of zippers and vinyl and different things, and some of her projects earlier in the year made me have to do those. So let's see what color we've got. She does a color every month this year. So October is purple. So purple. Flip for details. We're going to have a pieced scarf pre-cut project, extra fabric bundle, and then we have a pieced scarf printed pattern. And don't forget, there is a Facebook community for the Sew Up box, and there's a members only video vault. And then, like I said, you can always buy just the pattern. Oh, guess what? We have such similar tastes. I think I have both these fabrics. I love them. They almost think this one's like an oil spill or something at Joann's. And as always, she ties the extra fabric bundles with a ribbon that you can use as a label on your products. So we have our pieced scarf, printed pattern, and there is a video tutorial. And then we have our project pre-cut. It says it's a 2-minute prep time and about 100 minutes from start to finish. And if we look inside, we'll find that this card, if you flip it over, it has the address for the video tutorial and also written instructions. 1 through 13. It says, before you start, fabrics in this kit are 100% cotton. Your iron can be set to a high heat or a cotton setting. Seam allowances are 0.5 inches. And we have all of the material that we're supposed to need. Oh, and I like the way she folded all of this. All of this is hand-packed. This is a small business owner. She's got everything already cut. So it's just a matter of sitting down, reading the instructions, and off you go. As always, a nice spool, or a spool of really nice thread. I think it's Gooderman. And most often, most usually it's a coordinating color. And then we have some extra pins and a sewing needle. As you do want to change those every now and then, periodically. Because if you don't, if your needle gets bent, it'll mark up your bobbin casing, and then you'll need to replace your bobbin casing. Which, if you buy them off of Amazon and do it yourself, it is a lot cheaper than trying to, go to a sewing machine repair shop. I mean, just for replacing a bobbin casing. But don't forget to be taking your machine in for, maintenance, cleaning, different things like that. All right. Well, nice. I like these. And big, like the mum flowers, chrysanthemums. So we definitely have very similar taste. And don't forget, you will get your first box free if you're a new customer. just click that link down below in the description. But there is my October Sew What box. And usually she'll have something on there about what's coming up, you know, what November is. So I'm trying not to look. I want to be surprised. But I am so very behind, but I think with the markets kind of slowing down, I'll have a little bit more time to play. And I actually think this one, this would make some really nice Christmas presents. Secret Santas, family, co-workers. Not my co-workers, I don't work because of my myasthenia gravis, but so I'm unpredictable. I sew the days that I feel good, and then there's some days where I just can't. I think that's the worst thing about myasthenia gravis, is that you never know what the day's going to bring, and it can change in half an hour. Trust me, that's been a frustration for my husband. But don't forget to check out our brother channel at the Crazy D Ranch and Rabbitry, where we're showing about our microgreens that are on the grow rack behind me. Grow lights are very bright, so I'm not going to open that up and show you, but we will try to do a video and let y'all see those. Also, some of the jams and jellies I've been making, and some of the projects that I've made for the weekend markets. I will tell the people that come up to the table, I just have way too much fun in my sewing room. And that is the truth. I do. I have a lot of fun. And when it stops being fun, that's when I have to walk away and do something else. But in the meantime, I do have a nice stack of Sew What box projects to try. So if I get tired of doing what I'm currently doing, I always have something new to try, and I have something new to look forward to every month. Your watching our videos, sharing them, liking them is such a really big help to us. So please be sure to share, like, subscribe, click the button so you're notified when we put up new videos. With winter coming up, probably will be slowing down on the projects for the markets and be doing more videoing. So be on the lookout for those. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you have a marvelous time in your sewing area. And I will see you next time right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks for watching.